Hello friend, we are doing the biometric configurations. So you can see a step by step. I will explain step by step. We logged into the system. So first need to go to the setting menu, click on this, then click on the biometric tab. So here you can configure the biometric company. We have the ESSL biometric. So we selected the ESSL and first biometric ID. So we entered the biometric ID and we entered the office locations. After that, need to save it. So your biometric machine has connected to the server, connected to the biometric machine. So after we see the member is Rajesh Kumar, and now this is the active. This is the active member. So member can Rajesh Kumar can do the attendance mark by the biometric. So here is the biometric logs. Rajesh Kumar is the member. So we see the member logs. So Rajesh Kumar last biometric logs is the 4 3 p.m. Okay. So 4 3 p.m. So again Rajesh Kumar logs into the biometric. Then after we can see, so one biometric logs will be present here. Last time is 4 3 p.m.
Thank you.
After biometric marks by the member Rajesh Kumar, you can see the here is the biometric logs 430 413. Here is the so the biometric is working perfectly. So once we do the Rajesh Kumar is inactive, then what will be the do? Rajesh Kumar able to logged by the biometric or not? So we do inactive the Rajesh Kumar. So click on the inactive. So now Rajesh Kumar is the inactive. Rajesh Kumar is the inactive. So we will log into the biometric. Then see what will be the happen. Definitely Rajesh Kumar will not able to log into the biometric. We can see you have seen the biometric is working perfectly. User cannot able
Input
to
time
log
period.
into the biometric.
Input
So
time
you
period.
have successfully set up the biometric in your
Input time
fitness
period.
centers. If you have any queries, if you have any doubt, then let us in the comments, yeah, connect with
Input time
Automizers.
period.